What if one morning you wake up and your job just doesn't exist anymore? Not because of a recession, not because your boss fired you, but because a machine took your place? This is not science fiction. This is the future we're walking into. In this video, we'll explore 5 common everyday human jobs that may completely vanish by code algorithms and machines that never sleep. Stay with me because number 1 will shock you the most. Let's start the countdown. Number 5. Customer support agents. You're stuck. You call customer service. You expect a human to answer. Someone who understands, who listens. But increasingly you hear, press 1 for this, press 2 for that. Or worse, a robotic voice trying to sound friendly. AI chatbots and voice assistants are already taking over customer service jobs. They're faster, cheaper, and they never lose their patience. Companies like Amazon, banks, airlines. They're replacing human support with AI that learns and responds instantly. In 10 years, your complaint might not even reach a person. It'll go from machine to machine. And the human behind the voice? Gone. Number 4. Cashiers. Remember standing in line at the grocery store, talking to the cashier? Passing the items, paying in cash, getting a smile? That smile might disappear soon. Self-checkout kiosks are everywhere. And now? Amazon's just walk-out stores, where there are no cashiers at all. Retail chains are slowly shifting to fully automated checkouts. Less error, less cost. By 2035, the word cashier might sound old-fashioned. The counter will remain, but the person behind it will vanish into code. Number 3. Drivers. Close your eyes and imagine this. A car, no steering wheel, no driver, just you. Sounds impossible? It's already happening. Tesla, Waymo, Uber. They're testing driverless cars, trucks, delivery vans, all powered by AI. Driving jobs, taxis, truckers, delivery drivers, millions of people depend on them. But when machines start driving safer, cheaper, and non-stop, the world may shift gears. By 2035, human drivers might be replaced by systems that never get tired, never get distracted. The front seat might still be there, but it might be empty. Number 2. Graphic designers. Need a logo, a thumbnail, a poster? You once needed a designer. Now you type a prompt, and AI creates it in seconds. Tools like Midjourney, Dolly, Canva AI, they're fast, cheap, and shockingly creative. Basic design jobs, the kind you find on freelance websites, are already being replaced by machines that learn style, color, and layout faster than any human. Sure, great designers will still exist, but for simple, quick, repeatable design, AI might soon be the default, and the designer with the mouse might be replaced by a keyboard prompt. Number 1. Teachers. Now this might surprise you or even scare you, because we always believed a teacher can never be replaced. But AI tutors are changing that. They can teach any subject, at any time, in any language. They adapt to your speed, your mood, your mistakes. Apps like Khanmigo, Google Learn, and AI chatbots are already helping kids learn without a classroom. Imagine a future where every student has a 24/7 personal tutor. Not a human, but a voice in their ear. Will schools disappear? No. But the role of a teacher may change forever. From standing in front of a blackboard to being just another tool in a digital system. So those were 5 human jobs that might vanish or transform completely by 2035. AI isn't just coming. It's already here. It won't replace every job. But it will replace the ones that are predictable, repeatable, and replaceable. The question is, will we adapt or be left behind? If you found this video eye-opening, do hit like and subscribe for more. And in the comments, tell us which job do you think is next. See you in the next story.